known by various different names in Indian Sanskrit literature. It is called Padma, it is called Rajiv, it is called Arvind, it is called Ambuj, it is called Pankaj, and one more name, it is also called Utpal. Pallal in Sanskrit language is a pond and Ut means above. This plant is a hydrophyte, meaning a plant found in water. There are various different botanical features found in the lotus. Out of those botanical features, one of them is presence of conical thalamus. The thalamus in lotus flowers is cone shaped.